If you want to change a page URL in Elementor and make sure everything updates properly across your site, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you've moved to a new domain, changed your site structure, or just need to replace old links, this is the safest way to do it inside WordPress. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the admin area, look at the left-hand menu and find Elementor. Hover over it, then click Tools. This opens up the Elementor Tools screen, where you can manage different settings related to your site's Elementor data. At the top of the Tools page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Replace URL tab. This is the section you'll use to update old page links, site addresses, or any Elementor content that still contains your previous URL. Now you'll see two important fields, old URL and new URL. In the old URL field, type the current address that you want to replace. This could be your old domain, an old page path, or any outdated URL that appears in your Elementor content. Then, in the new URL field, enter the updated URL you want to use instead. Take a moment here to make sure both URLs are typed correctly, because this is the part that tells Elementor exactly what to search for and what to change. Once both fields are filled in, click the Replace URL button. Elementor will scan through your site content and replace the old address with the new one wherever it finds a match. This helps update links throughout your Elementor built pages without having to manually edit each section one by one. After that process is finished, there is one more very important step. Go back to the Elementor Tools page and click the General tab. Inside the General section, you'll see the option to clear files and data. Click Clear Files and Data to refresh Elementor's cached CSS and data files. This step is important because it ensures all the styling and CSS files reflect the new URL properly. If you skip this, you may still see old assets or broken styling on your front end. Once that's done, your URL change should be fully applied. At this point, it's a good idea to open your page in a new tab and check that the updated links, page addresses, and styling are all working correctly. If everything looks good, then you're finished. So that's how to change a page URL in Elementor using the Replace URL tool and the Clear Files and Data option. It's a quick process, but doing it the right way helps avoid broken links and keeps your site running smoothly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.